Hello and welcome to another episode of a vlog from Tortued Island in the Holy Land, and today from Ofdat through Ena Cave to Ben Gurion Grave. Let's go. Do notice a dam, ancient one, in the brook, which stopped the floods, which occurs once in a while. Here we can see the chalk, sedimentation, soft one, in deep sea, and above it limestone, sedimentation in shallow sea, hard rock. Meanwhile, it's raining. It's quite weird, I have to admit, but let's go on.